Hello, everybody, and welcome to Tropical Pattern Volume 2. I'm Freya, and I'm delighted to have you join me for the second installment of our pattern design series. In this course, we'll dive into the enchanting world of iridescent seashells and explore how to create beautiful patterns designed specifically for swimsuits. As always, everything was prepared and done using Procreate. Whether you've completed Volume 1 or you're jumping in fresh, this course is designed to help you practice and perfect the art of composing intricate patterns. Our main objective is to hone your skills in creating stunning, cohesive designs that are perfect for swimwear or on any kind of clothing. Before we get started, let's go over what's in store for you in this course. The first module is where you can download the files and brushes that we will need throughout the course. There's also a link to join our Facebook group if you've never joined before. In Module 2, we will go over the pre-production phase. I'll talk about the idea and concept, as well as other essential information you need to know when creating pattern designs. When the plan has been finalized, we'll do the sketch of each pattern. I've prepared 4 patterns for you in this installment. Next, Module 3 is all about the production stage. We'll go through the steps of painting the elements one by one and make versions of them in different colors. To create more visual interest, we'll be using the watercolor technique combined with special effects available in the Procreate app. Here comes Module 4, the post-production. After we've prepared all the images we want for the pattern, we'll be focusing on composing the pattern according to the sketch we did previously. Then, we'll be doing the repeating pattern test to see if the pattern continues smoothly and seamlessly. Once we're finished, we'll export the image files. Finally, we've reached the last module. This is a bonus I've included for you. Whether you're designing a product or you just want to enhance your portfolio, it's important to give your client a clear vision of the final product. So, let me show you how to prepare and dress up your work. As a special bonus lesson, I'll demonstrate how to prepare the mock-up files. This will help you improve the presentation of your designs, making it easier for customers to see the outcome on actual clothes, like swimwear. By the end of this course, you'll have a beautiful set of seashell patterns and the skills to showcase them effectively. And I really hope that you are as excited as I am. All right, so when you're ready, let's dive and make some waves with our designs. Let's get started.